Hello, welcome back to my channel BaoGN, and today I will show you how to fix YouTube sound not working on Android. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. First, hold down the YouTube app and select App Info. Here you will see a Clear Data button. If you cannot find it, you can go to the Storage section. Press Clear Data and select Clear All Data. Then, we go to Settings and select Sound and Vibration. Here, we adjust the media sound to turn it up. Wish you success!